Okay, sorry. Welcome back. Welcome back. This is Sports Monarch TV. Mufan Chemi. I think the network, we got an interruption. So, network, and a hard drink. So let's continue. Let's continue the piece and then the few things I was sharing with you from my senior brother Muhammad Amin Lamti, who is a sports journalist, a seasoned sports journalist for over 2 decades. Also a boxing announcer, then lecturer at Islamic University. He teach communication, and then also like a lot. He's also a political analyst. And see, in terms of sports, and many near the current affair there. So anytime he shares something with me, I make sure say me read it so that he like writing a lot. So articles, back to back, anything bibi obehu biara no, or making sure say obetro article fine, and I like that. I like that. And see, always be an so or making sure say or share na me misumanye bi aka nti saa kwan so deɛ he's good at that. He's good at that. And I really appreciate it. I really appreciate that. So na me ready na what is sending me no ansana ma come main topic na nkasa. So me catch you say my main topic we'll be speaking about side effect of substance or drug abuse in sports. We'll be talking about side effect of drug abuse in sports. I told you say this channel is solely for education, entertainment, and then also information. So if you need something informative, this is where you need to come and watch. Like it, share it. Sports Monarch TV, Sports Monarch TV on Facebook, Sports Monarch TV on YouTube, Sports Monarch TV, TikTok, Sports Monarch TV, Instagram. Make sure say we be share one. Say unye dino Roger Emmanuel Senyo na wa follow na obo se Sports Monarch na den etwaso Sports Monarch TV no etwaso uko TikTok Roger Emmanuel Senyo Sports Monarch TV etwaso Roger Emmanuel Senyo _ Sports Monarch TV on Instagram Roger Emmanuel Senyo _ Sports Monarch TV on Instagram TikTok Roger Emmanuel Senyo Sports Monarch TV. Facebook, Roger Emmanuel Senyo, Sports Monarch TV. No one follow, no one share. I beg, share it. Mpacho, share ne more. Enra, more mobile no. Ebi mo share ne kama pa. Mo share. Na bebia obia na mbiano. Obia betimi anye biade. Ready. Obia betimi so anye biashe. Don't be selfish. Bisro. Don't be selfish. Hanti. Yeah, if you have any comments, obetimi di aba, odiba, I'll make sure say me ready na wahu sinese so na migu Muhammad Amin Lamti ne article na wo tro no nti we get to a point where he said political manipulation. I started explaining it, how the politicians influence our system, how they use their powers to influence our system, how they use their political affiliation to destroy a lot of things. Being a human being, will be personal, it may destroy, will be intro, a bit my agenda, a bit to make and try to be so some and tono about and he mentioned some few names like Kwesi Nyantakyi, Asamoah Gyan, and Suleiman Muntari, the Ayew brothers, Jordan Ayew, Dede Ayew. A lot of people, boxing people like Abraham Nikwe, or just recent immediate past GBA boss, and also because of political affiliation, political power, the position, he and a lot of people, they have to resign for new people to take over. Yes, it is also part, say, Ode ejumana nipa no be no, ana appointment na wa na ejumana nipa be de ebetimi aye nipa pemu bia ebeboa ma box na akonenim. But the fact is that political interference equals so in this angle, we all know how the politicians manipulate our system We know how our politicians use more power and destroy nneɛma ɛwɔ kurom ha, especially yes sports no. We all know how it works, how our nneɛma de esitie ɛwɔ kurom ha. Nti or kasa onim ne ɔka nti or the point political manipulation. Political manipulation, I say, in politics, character assassination is used to away voters or swerve voters. In politics, character assassination is used to sway voters, create uncertainty, or prevent rivals from gaining support, thereby influencing election outcomes. Yes, politicians, yeni momo do baby near here on say a coin on so a obetimi anya more votes. A coin obetimi afasa results ebe favor no. Enti bibia wo ye bia no make sure say ade na wo ye no ebe favor na results no ebe ko ni favor na. If the results will go into his or her favor there or you okay, but the results no enko into his or her favor oni bibia like enyanite. So what I say, their politicians are selfish. They always fight for their selfish interests. Me say, such an way on very soon. Nioma me kan ukromuano. Muamu beti asiye. You just go a political party udi sa. Unim ni ekoso. You don't know what go into it. Unim ni ekoso. You see some people, politicians, go for diomachi sa, diomachi, and obi kwati baby, obi unshia ni dao, and I see the way you good and the enko tumano, but not thinking about say nipana obano. Oba beye jima ebe buana, who the vulnerable people, who na ni bina, uti ukrebi ase, uni insu, uni light, uni network, internet, uni bino. Ujine unhu say sa nepana or jine unhu ansana watu edi amanana. But you don't think about all those things. Ni hear one say you just go and vote for the person. Nepana say you hear say obinya the resource. Onya the resource ni bia that is it. All men will be. Nti ano na Muhammad Amin Lamte wede oka ho asem awa ha. Nti or continue see attacks may spread false. Attacks may spread false. Exaggerated information, foster rumors, spread innuendo or present technical true information in misleading context. And also motivation behind character assassination. In conclusion, idea motivate you omuntia assassination. You say my catcher say a cost of baby character assassination, a cost of baby. It's not only about politicians, our sorry them, our jumem, our community, our office, baby, even WhatsApp groups are watiti, other groups are watiti, because people who does that, because of their personal interest, or or yes, when they say at the end of the day, it will come in favor of he or she. Entina or yes, the last paragraph or check yen nentia sankrofo omo eyesa being a department awo those things it happen there anu na Muhammad Amin Lamte chire hu ewahase wasi motivation behind character assassination. The motivation can stem from jealousy. Yes, obi ho a ohuye ne hinkeke unye ne hwio unye ne bibia but ohuye ne hi ebia unam ho kra wo koba no e ka ono kwankran ka ebia ka ne wayare position bi ekuta ono nka waje me say things I will say here omunya start ejuma ye bi afi na we school onya anya ejuma ye oni working experience. I will come and tell you the reason here okope ejuma obaby a you see ye pe 2 years working experience 3 years working experience. Initially some of us na yentiase you were saying say one more be opportunity a ebeye den na nipa na gain experience but say o start na we ejuma abrabom o ko wenim a there are so many things about betiase a obo nsa sana enna hokwa. So I will speak about those things here. Safi na wo ko pay ejuma what you need to expect. Niema ese wo hwe nim se wo ko ejuma ne mo no wo ba kwa koshia but never forget say no matter what, even if the company ejuma na wo kwa akoye no si ebi ejuma no heaven, si ebi wo heaven, say fear, say angels, say Jesus Christ says for nko and away ejuma mu ho a, one thing you never forget to say ube experiencing a jealousy. Jealousy is come natural, a natural. You will be on one because of nyankopo favor na a one is people can just hurt you. Nkrofo ebe jealous naturally ewo because of the way you live your life, how are we you nyoma na that into we betimi aka for no reason. Ube dwene ho a wonti ase. And those people are the people ube ye papa ma omo. Ube ye papa o, ube ye omo good. Chese ni omo here will be ube ye mamo, but they will never appreciate it. They will still jealous about you. See, being a young person growing up, no, you have to expect, say, ejume bia ubekom biano. Once a year, 2 people, and they were 3, and they were 4, and they were no matter what it is. Obi be jealous you can. Nti anu de, say who say, ade a ebebe mu nti. Anu ho asem na oka say ebi jealousy, a desire to destroy an opponent psychologically. Obi o ane botai so opese o say o keke psychological no mentally opese o wiki untu obayiye ndiomba hu hia se be ya wanka sakra no. Still a lot of people mutimi resign fi adwuma mu ojino ho a wonti ase. O bi betimi a resign o tie chire because asime se adwuma yi pa wo ye pa adwuma yi, but you don't know what is going on inside. Unim ne ekoso wo nipa na bibia wo ye adwuma na bibia wo te school na wo ne wo ye office na unim ne ekoso ho. And it's a lot of people to me resign now microphone tiase no. One sha obi psychologically opeso wiki unti. Neoma wunye krobeka so wayo. Say a lot of things be happy and one sha one ka say juma no odi be 20 no wasem na oka say obi o ha na ne motivation nyina ne say opeso o destroy the opponent psychologically. Eno ene ne botae na o see a desire to destroy an opponent psychologically or to gain a competitive advantage. Ubi oha bibi no ope ebi a position bi ekuta wonti ope sa position ninti intro obitwa ni o se wo ye bia wo wanim begu ase ana se o bosses on ebeji wonu edi na yebeyi wo efi ono no aba be hye ho no. Eno na motivate no ti obeye ni opese wo ye bia se ne be ya ono ede ebetimi aba be take your position sana. Eno nti ene motivate sa ankrofo na ema mo ye sa den op advantage opese wo take advantage. Eno nti ena mo ye den eya mo eye sa de. Eno nti o hye se na still see the motivation can stem from jealousy, a desire to destroy an opponent psychologically or to gain a competitive advantage, especially in the political context. Yes, politicians, especially and Muslim and see lasting impact on personal attacks. Lasting impact on personal attacks. Lasting impact on personal attacks. The damage from character assassination can be profound and long-lasting, potential affecting an individual life, legacy, and even enduring for generations. The damage from character assassination can be profound and long-lasting, potential affecting an individual's life, legacy, and even enduring for generations. I wish you a blessed day. And see, this is from my brother Muhammad Amin Lamti. Yes, ni culture ene ne article kakra wa tro na mini a share kitwe bi we just something small. Interfina me baba come main topic in this one kasa. Somebody can catch say you'll be speaking about bad substance, effect of bad substance, and I say effect of drug abuse in sports. Ubi a play bia okwa kosi akan na wakwa fight droboni on coach bi no akwa droboni no gina touchline. Club administrator wafa droboni, supporter wafa droboni, odi akugina park so the side effect and all those things and only ba be dim command Mr. T Emma Mitchell say football started in UK 1970 and 1980s almost start here with say yem trending in together. This is say and TB who football akrano na when player agent pap no more san no more movie no more cocaine just to have fun just to have a team bonding just to have a team bonding and now mo yes nema but you get to a point about 80s more 85 the bano and yes if that is the case let us employ foreigners na omumbra embe change the methodologies of coaching any saa nneɛma the philosophy of coaching over England and nema the first coach by a coach say Alex Ferguson no I beg your pardon Arsene Wenger yes Arsene Wenger the first manager Obabesisam, the philosophy, the mentality, the diets of all the players, dressing room, Omomutia say, sa nneɛma no nyina no or addresses sa issue no our dressing room, or addressing our dressing room, and Oba Arsenal. Na yewo players bi mu a no more Arsenal say eba say ye nume druboni say ye we no ye marijuana say ye cocaine say ye nsa alcoholic on nsa no odin say bia Ghana ye beka say petishini sa nsa ne nyina no no mo num pa no mo enum sa nsa ne nyina pa ura ife say Arsene Wenger fi France e buy no the main issue a wa address here dressing room omomutiase e di measures e di guo omo edidiem omo diet osesa ne nyina di ma omo enti on say openi e fene say Tony Adams any Paul Mason sa nkrofo mi no bi eni mo so mo siaka ni ma Arsenal no mo ye drug addicted sa mpenifo emi no mo ye drug addicted e ba ne say ye no mu nsa anu odin ye no mu alcohol ye no mu wi ye no mu kokia no mo di ma kotin pa but Arsene Wenger bae no e masa ne ma ne nyina to betwae aduane a ombedi enam kro ombewi no enam bi ho a ensese omwe fish bi o eno no omwe fish and I say meat impo make sure say a soft meat enya impact bia no eden e wo mo so enti obesesa omedidi omunsu omunum na omunam omwe Arsene Wenger and ebesesa ne nyina so Arsene Wenger was a part of coaches omo ebesesa the football revolution in England. Okahu omo besesa the football revolution in England. Ti ohwemu Arsene Wenger ochro book bi Science Revolution football science revolution book bi a ochro ye no sa nneoma ne nyina eden ne nyina ewo mti ebedu baby kra no who say openi e fene say Tony Adams after say oye cocaine drug addicted cocaine marijuana obeye addicted nyina ewie nyina no after experience a wonyan no ono akasa ebeti hospital na hospital na clinical na wodi anase woti NGO na wo advocate professional footballers no wo me say sa drug abuse ni sa ne ma nyina no emwa ema game ne nyede enko ne ebe affect your life enti obeti sa NGO no ema Paul Mason ono say den ono say ba beti bi enti edu baby kra na ore na Tony Adams no na ni clinic no eho na omoko ye doping ni sa nneoma ni nyina enti na eyade a na oye education dia fa ho ewo wiase afa na nyina enti eno na ye den ye kan ho asebe ne ye beto aso kakra na ya hwese na ne no so sitie no basically we'll be speaking about drug abuse in athletes and I say we'll be speaking about the drug abuse in sports itself and also the effects enya our athletes. So we'll be speaking about all those things. Yeah, Philippe Sian. Unyami ba phones ewo so many flower kef. Yes. Oboy juma pa sisi wati team. And I say me can the team no asem kakra say I will come around. Me ankasa meba na mababa ye a lot of stories about Sumenya Soccer Academy. A new club about Sumenya. I was say Sumenya penifo nyina ahimfo no. This is the only club I was Sumenya. Like I was saying yesterday, a lot of players are from those enclave. Also obi to say Thomas Partey from so many Odumase club. Also obi to say na make a player like Jutes Asama Frimpong. Jutes Asama Frimpong. Say obi zero Switzerland. Obo Blasters, Ebo Nyimba International Nigeria, Amamuji a lot of trophies, CAF Champions League, Amamuji Bebrina, and then he is also from that enclave. Nti ye can't so many important dia. A lot of players if is area recently Patrick Razak, if is so many, and a lot of players I think say sisi so many soccer academy abano. I was say ahimfo na omo ho nyina ne mpenefo MC MP fo na omo nyina no I was so nyina de omo ho hyem I was so nyina de omo ho hyem na omo boa se de be ya so many soccer academy omo tumi gira omo nan so momoa omo ti ase edi na eda so kra no eseli de ekru na ye so many nankasa edi na eda so kra no eseli kru no nti momoa se de be ya so many soccer academy no ebetimi akona nim nti unyami ba phones obejuma yetawechi papa ebe make sure say whatever support be obehia bia no yeba advocate se na be ya onsan betimi aka na aboa se na be ya so many soccer academy na se na ne nkola na si bobo no na se omo bo friendly matches mienu bi se na omo si shamanfo no so many soccer academy nkola nkitinkichi o under 10 ni Charlie bola nkola na ebo Paula so many soccer academy nkola na ebo no enya asempito akra nti no a lot of talents ebesa free hono aba omuni baby omusi akan omuni park omusi so akan so what are the authorities there die no mo ye mpenifo no mo hono die no mo ye MP no die no ye municipal chief executive MC wo ho die na wo ye say sankrofo na die na mo ye dia support nti you be speaking about all those things me there who say I always go down just bibiano a foundation no see a destroy foundation na ubon say a sure never say so we have to start from the basis as ye hono ntino you be making sure say so many soccer academy bibia betimi akoyi dem nti beta amochi ya menka ho na ne amoye no anye fine yes I see you Botchi Solomon we see you are watching us live Botchi Solomon also see share me hu ha yes welcome also bad na me hu me make sure say my body okay quickly let's focus on our today's topic near here say na no want some no so I'll just say something small then na ya hu say na nema besi akona fi akọ na yasa so aba na the topic is drug abuse in sports. Because of drug abuse in sports, eye ndra obetimi anoma sports anti-doping ma ho kwan. Na edin krofo bebrenya. Sometimes it's not only about the things I mentioned. Say obenum nsa particular drink bi and I say obefa hard substance. Be cocaine, be weed, marijuana, whatever it is. Sometimes sports rules no and sports regulations no aduane kra wo di kra no etimi affective ema yetimi ye random test ema ye den ye yi ufi game nim happened to a lot of players just recently me kan kwechiri kra anye we ya we dey maminka Paul Pogba dey buy no obi o wakodi aduane ebetimi aduane bia wo ebetimi kra ye kenke so tiase but neoma na ewom no ebia na anoye din tiase ebia na entimi mo sports nti se anti-doping for no ye o test ni wi no mo hu sa de no wo mu a awo say omo disqualify na say omo suspend you obetimi afine obetimi kra ko prison e wo ho so tiase anti e ka say hard substance and I say bad substance and drug abuse na enye normal ones ya ye nim say insan no odi ni sa nioma na ya bandi ewo society no enye no kwa ebi obetimi kra akodi aduane bi krampo a no so betimi ayede ebe kose sa problem na ede edi amount nti no hu sem na ye ka wanti o say what is drug abuse in sports. Drug abuse in the athletes population may involve doping in an effort to gain competitive advantage. So, doping, drug abuse, say, wo no why you wagin say okay competition na eba beko no mintimi mfama hondi nko anko nti if that is the case there ene mimpe bibi a ebeboa me mimpe bibi nom se ne be ya ebema me more advantage me medicana yeba betu no me menya extra energy metimi akọ extra mile me opponent amini omuko nya no obi antome because omo di omo normal strength na ekọ but me no mayisu di ebema me extra energy menya extra capacity metimi anya ahonden fufuru bi a metimi ade metimi di akọ nti wo no o take advantage of people ena sports mra no so nkyere say o kwa awo say obi take advantage because nka sa na tie dia nka Usain Bolt eni Johan Blake no ba beto America nka ebetimi aka so ebia Usain Bolt de say wo de America no ye ne say 100 meters de o ye number 1 obi eni ho obetimi take be ya omo a oni omo ba beto America no say ye mfa na say bia Benjamin Asamati any bia Johan Blake and say Usain Bolt ekoto America ye beka say Usain Bolt na kodimo America no tu nti ka ono nyina chiri dia say nka ono nyina chiri na nka bia Benjamin Asamati enko nanim kakra se ne be ya ono betimi anya advantage kakra over Usain Bolt because ye nim say oni Usain Bolt go 200 meters and Johan Blake go 200 meters we ye there obedi nkunim nti ade ntina nka the opponent na nka oma holding so no omo take advantage nka omo no nko omo ni but sports no nye sa na tie ye ne sa eye equal game eye pepepe nti asem nyina mo start pe nti u wini a then you are a true winner, a deserved winner sa ene ye no so ta say sa ne ye no nti ebinum enum sa de na se na be ya omo benya extra energy say park supra na ogina obobobo 90 minutes on breda so ta say the opponent na break no ono no on breye hantie no na oka ho semo a say drug abuse in the athlete population may involve doping in an effort to gain competitive advantage. Alternatively, it may involve use of a substance such as alcohol, marijuana, without the intent of performance enhancement, since athletes may develop a substance use disorder just as any non-athlete may. That's it. Hanti na medical treatment no. Say nipa no befa alcohol, befa marijuana, bi betimi ay cocaine, bibia se ne be ya ono be den ono betimi anya extra enhancement effort. Na ono ade ono di akọ na nim se ne be ya obetimi ade edi nkunum sample nti eno ho nsem no. So these are some of the examples in sports nim. They say what are examples of drugs in sports? Examples of drugs in sports the no ho nsem and asisi ameba beka nioma ben like nioma ben na wo ya eye examples e kire say eno na wo sports no ma onumu a emwa ema nioma nkoyi. So what are examples of drug abuse in sports? And I said drugs in sports. Some of the banned substance are nioma bi a sports mna no emma ho kwan emma wontumi nye no ebi nie. 1. Anabolic steroids. Anabolic steroids. 2. Peptide hormones and the growth factors. 3. Stem cell doping. Stem cell doping. 4. Hormones. Then we have illicit drugs. Illicit drugs. Nti sa drugs we mu nyina no ofa eye nrumone anti-doping test ebechiw ara se be fine ana de obokwa kotum ana se ye be band ukra ana competition bi na ekoso a ye be disqualify nti sa na etie. So why are drugs not allowed in any sports? TNT and drugs no yempeni ema yenye ewo sports DNT na mpeni for abound DNT na mpeni for erita boy de atoso. The reasons for the ban are mainly the health risk of performance enhancing drugs, the equality of opportunity for athletes, and the exemplary effect of drugs-free sports for the public. Yes, send American church. The entire year kwan ne say sports no equality. Say mo nyina bibia ye pepepe. And say obi take advantage of obi. Nti die nti na ese epene na akoju kofa nomoni na akwa me de onfa nomoni na mo nyina mo koto America baako. No. Nti no eka ho bi nti a omode side ba. Na the main one pa health risk. Because sa nneoma ne nyina ye nom nyina no onum a at the end of the day no was side effects or bad effects. Our side effects. Enti sede be ya wapomodin ebetimi akoyi na onya bad effects eno nti na ampenefo ye den eritabo ato so sene be ya enkoye open to public na obi asore na wa ye bi na no. Enti sa na man nyina account. Those are the reasons nti a ampenefo age atum say nobody should go and take drugs and go and then be in sports, participate in any sports activities. That is the main reason Anti-doping authorities stated that using performance-enhancing drugs goes against the spirit of sports. One. So what I say. So the main thing is it go against the spirit of the sports. Because say, me know about medika, na me hu se wo no akofa nrombo ne wanom wi, wanom cocaine, wanom alcohol ebe more extra energy. Na me knew eba betu medika na ye kobobo. Already I am defeated because me say wo akope extra energy. Oni me di ba be shia. So a background a basa na pe na ma lose hope already. Na che say me defeat me hu kra dada. Nti anti-doping test for no hunu say spirit of sports no emane kofom eno nti enema omode saade na nyina de edibai. So what are 10 examples of drug abuse? Die be ni die examples be na ebetimi ama eno ene ye drug abuse. Get facts about the most commonly misused and the abused drugs. Drugs ni bi honoma ebi krampo no se na omu use no omu misuse no sene ya yatro ho no instructions na ewo ho no how ayese ye no no omu num ne sample overdose ena bi no ye den omu ye nti eba ne sana it's cause a lot of problems. So these are some of the examples. Maybe one alcohol medical church alcohol can be a lot of things. Say in san no thing a be cry a spirit in san na a be a sanitizers about so many things. Now say me tie kra no you see some people can even a be munum omuhia even saying super glue. They say be muhia super glue for extra energy. So just say be an any those things no. I'm not here to promote anything, but me use as an example keke. Nti alcohol number 1. Yes, because you support is Amuko Stadium, the alcohol at the Akko Stadium, there cause a lot of problems selling to Canada there. And no, I make KBB about Liverpool and then Juventus in Tokwana supporters cover buyer and now Musuma Nipa 39 a year. Now before na main knife crime by now the biggest sports disaster na AC our stadium. That's it. Now the biggest disaster na AC was stadium. Na me ka ho asem. Yeah, supporters to minimum alcohol na no side alcohol facade no there. So it's also examples of the drug abuse. Then 2, bath salts, synthetic catanonos, which is salt bath. Ebi mu di nchini dwane. Me nim da. Ebi mu di nchin enso ye de dware or di nchin ebe dware se be ya ebi a ofili se no na betimi ama na extra energy a ne ekwa akoye no obedi nkunum nti ebi nim edi nchin enso ye de dware nti it is also examples of drug abuse. Then club drugs ebi mo ko bo ma chi so like a whole lot of things. Club drugs and also cocaine and heroin and also be and inhalants etwin ohia komu sa hen and also and also wo kotom dika sa ne ma ne nyina ebie ne honoma awose wo ye eno achi ye wo MDMA ecstasy MDMA, ecstasy or molly, and now the last one prescription drugs, and then gold machines, nti we need 10 examples ano drug abuse nti ano ho sem na media amount. So what or which drug is abused by sports people? Drugs being na sports for no omuta abuse pa omuta abusing more. Drugs being sports for no omuta abusing more. So introduction, or see classification, drug name, examples, and those things. So ushemwa alcoholic steroids, and no to say nyezu omo abuse no Charlie, it's not easy. Then we have stimulants. And there were blood doping agencies. Omo hwe sa nyoma no nyina de omo hwe sa nyoma no nyina. So it is difficult. So the main definition of drug abuse, this is the main definition of drug abuse. So the use of illegal drug or the use of a prescription or over-the-counter drugs for purpose other than those for which they are meant to be used or in. Okay, nti edroboni bia ade a wanom a for different mentality. Ade fufuro, wode koya ade fufuro enye botai nti a yeye ade no fane say ebia malaria edru na osi ukono malaria edru de akwakocho medika. Malaria edru ya anye for mediketu. Nti se ukonom for mediketu a na che say eye edruboni, eye drug abuse. We yes na che say why de watumna nti ehonsem I don't know. What is the drug addiction? Drug addiction is defined as a chronic relapsing disorder characterized by the compulsive drug seeking and use despite diversity consequences. Bia waya ade ne sa ti si ye ne body na ba fa de bia wanye bia anye kra na ne ho atiti no ti no ho sem no ka. So o si what drug is bound in sports? Drugs being and as sports no yedi tabo ato so. Increased strength and power, shortened recovery time of this class of drugs, use of any alcoholic agent including testosterone and other alcoholic steroids. Those substances banned at all times would include but are not limited to hormones, anabolics, EPO, beta-2, making agents, and diuretics. What are the 7 types of drugs? The 7 types of drugs. So the classification of the drugs are here. Central nervous systems, depressants, stimulants, dissociative, anesthetic, narcotic, inhalants, and cannabis, which is the winner. You can want 70. I know 7 classification types of drugs. So which athletes have been caught using drugs? Athletes being any achioma in show say be away maybe chapter for the day near her senior and never city. Athletes being dude was saying and a beam being and drugs since yachiom. As I say, 5 athletes that were caught by doping. Athletes makumakunu be yachiom because of doping. 1, 1994, Diego Armando Maradona, no a footballer. Doping ne football career beseye yechi no. Enwechi 2009, Manny Pacquiao boxer ono sesa anti-doping for Eden echi no. And 2012 nso a opani a ɔno so yɛ cyclist yɛfrɛ no Lance Armstrong ɔno so ne story by na ɛnyɛ easy koraa. 2012 Lance Armstrong ɔno so yɛ cyclist ɔno so yɛkyie no. ɛna 2019 ɛyɛ Mark Hook ɛyɛ skier ɔno so yɛkyie no. ɛna 2020 ɛyɛ Russian Olympic team Russia Olympic team no so ɔmo so yɛkyie ɔmo 2020 a ɔmo so yɛn ama ɔmo anyɛ dɛ ɔmo ntumi participate nti owie sɛ na ɛsi tie deɛ na kyerɛ yɛde ɛha adwene pa. Which athlete was banned for drug? Another athlete a yɛ banned for drug ɛyɛ Wimbledon champion Maria Sharapova failed a test or a drug test in March 2016 after meldonium was detected in her sample. The Russian claimed she had been taking the substance for a decade to help with health issues, and he had not noticed that it had been added to WADA's ban list. She was banned for 15 months. Yes, Maria Sharapova. This story na yɛnyina yɛkae. Ne yɛ sɛ ɛduru a yɛde ama no sɛ bɛyɛ a ɔyare a duro no bɛtumi abɔ no na ne yare no bɛtumi aba fam. Nti na onim sɛ ɛyɛ substance a ɛtia sports mmara no. Nti 2016 ɛna Maria Sharapova yɛkyi na yɛban no 15 months. Nti that is it. Yɛmfa no nsi a I'll come back very soon and then come with another interesting topic. And also very powerful. Betting about educating and informing as also entertaining. I always said sports is not only about Kotoko 1, Hearts 1, Chelsea 1, Man U 1, Liverpool 1. No, we need to educate ourselves so that the people involved in the game, people who are now getting into the game, they also learn a lot of things. Very soon, we will come back and then discuss the football regulations. So I say football regulations and sports regulations. There is a rule governing it. Emra ekawanti ana mashase from doping. Tidne no amichireo how a start ye free from England. How a sports and a football start in England. How a mudi start and prefer be changing the mentality. A be drug abuse more mobile professional we know. I gave all those things you today. Mama drug abuse definitions, the effects, and then also the people involved. The reason behind drug abuse. I gave you all those reasons. Who say drug abuse and I say bad substance in sports. It will not help you. So I told you, Sahano, it is all about education. Entertaining, informative, giving you information, the accurate ones, and one a so subscribe to the channel, YouTube. A lot of things. My TV show, my sports show on TV XYZ. Sports Monarch TV on YouTube. Sports Monarch TV on YouTube. Whatever my be on TV XYZ, Power FM, Radio XYZ. Whatever it is, you get all the update, everything. At the same time, no, sa channel we Roger Emmanuel Senyo Sports Monarch TV on Facebook. Anytime, biano, catch me up here. Ni komo tiasie TikTok. Roger Emmanuel Senyo Sports Monarch TV. Sports Monarch TV. Our TikTok. Sports Monarch TV. Our TikTok. And afi oko Instagram. Sports Monarch TV. Our Instagram. Sports Monarch TV, our Instagram. All the social media handles me na me ba life here. It is all about education. It is all about education. Sports. It is all about education. Let's meet there. Some of the things are there already. You can just go there and listen to them, watch them, go there and then educate yourself. They say, Obetimiamba, Sports Monarch TV on Facebook. Listen to all the episodes I already did and then put them there. Go and listen to them. I will make sure say most of times and I will come on live so that we all discuss how yes sports and with me being a social story entertainment, whatever it is, Biano. If we need attention, we will speak about it. But here we speak more about sports. I say anything sports, just catch me here and let's talk about it. So Sports Monarch TV on YouTube, Sports Monarch TV on YouTube, Sports Monarch TV on Facebook, Sports Monarch TV on Instagram, Sports Monarch TV on TikTok, Sports Monarch TV on TikTok. Nti, catch me and let's speak about sports, things matters in the sports. Me, my focus more is on the regulations and whatever happened, the current affairs, the changes in the regulations, being soccer, athletes, boxing, para sports, whatever it is, no, we educate ourselves here. So, see you later.